Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Today I will be using my handy crock pot to make a delicious pumpkin pie oatmeal. Now this recipe is perfect to make just before you go to bed. You can dump everything in your crock pot, turn it on low, and the next morning you wake up to a warm, healthy bowl of oatmeal. We are coming into the holiday season, so this recipe is perfect. When we're doing a lot of cooking, this is just makes things easy to have a breakfast ready for you. But let me go over all the ingredients that you will need. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of holiday recipes coming out soon. And if you hit the notification bell, then you'll know as soon as I upload those recipes. And give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this video.
Okay, so I have 1 cup of steel cut oats and 1 cup of a pumpkin puree, 2.5 cups of water, and 1.5 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of a pumpkin pie spice, and then I have 1 teaspoon of a vanilla extract. And then I will be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I am going to spray some nonstick spray in my crock pot. And I also have some brown sugar and pecans here. And I'm just going to be using them to top my oatmeal. So as you can see, I'm spraying the inside of my crock pot. And now I'm going to be adding my water. And I'm going to add the milk. And then the steel cut oats. Next, I'm adding the pumpkin puree, the maple syrup, and the vanilla extract, the pumpkin pie spice, the salt, and then I'm just going to mix this all together.
So my pumpkin pie oatmeal is all done and it smells amazing and it looks delicious. It's thick and creamy. So now I'm just going to serve it into a bowl. And if you wanted to add a little bit more sweetness, you could sprinkle some brown sugar on top. I'm also going to add some chopped pecans and maybe a splash of milk. I'm so excited to show you. That is so delicious, and I love the texture of steel cut oats. They are so good for you. They're thick and creamy, and this tastes like pumpkin pie in a bowl. I hope that you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.